Hello everyone, and welcome. I'm so glad you are here for this journey. You have chosen to study a topic that will define your future and the future of our planet. That topic is sustainability. We hear this word everywhere, but what does it truly mean? Simply put, sustainability is about meeting our own needs today. But it's also about ensuring that future generations can meet their needs too. It's a balance between our environment, our society, and our economy. It is the most important challenge of the 21st century. This isn't just a course for environmental scientists or activists. This is a course for every single one of you. It doesn't matter if you are studying business, engineering, arts, medicine, or humanities. The challenges we face are interconnected, and they touch every aspect of our lives and careers. Our climate is changing, threatening our homes and our food supplies. We are losing biodiversity, and at the same time, deep inequalities persist. These are not separate problems. They are tangled together in a complex system. The goal is not just to learn about these problems. The goal is to equip you with the knowledge and the skills, and the sense of agency to become part of the solution. To guide you on this path, we will follow a simple but powerful strategy. Define, hook, apply. First, we will clearly define the core concepts. Next, we will find a hook to connect these big ideas to your own life. Finally, we will apply this knowledge through practical, hands-on activities. This is a course about building competence and confidence to make a real difference in the world. We have designed this course to be practical. We have designed this course to be global. We have designed this course to be inclusive. We believe that the best ideas come from collaboration and diverse perspectives. So, we will not just be sitting in lectures. We will be getting our hands dirty with real activities. This course is a laboratory for change. It's a space for you to experiment, to learn from failure, and to celebrate success together. In today's first lecture, we will lay the foundation. We'll start with core definitions and introduce a crucial skill, systems thinking. It's a new way of seeing the world that reveals hidden connections and surprising solutions. We will also look at the UN Sustainable Development Goals. Think of them as a shared to-do list for humanity. We will cover everything from Earth's planetary boundaries and the principles of a circular economy to the power of renewable energy and sustainable food systems. The journey is designed to give you a 360-degree view of the sustainability landscape and your place within it. Finally, we will end today by outlining your very first tasks. These tasks are designed to get you thinking and acting right away. They will be simple, but they are the first steps on a longer journey. You will not be working alone. The spirit of this course is one of collaboration and mutual support. We are here to create a learning environment that is hopeful, constructive, and empowering. So, let's get started. So, what does sustainability actually mean? The most famous definition comes from a 1987 United Nations report. It defines sustainable development as development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. This simple sentence is powerful. It's a call for intergenerational equity. But the idea has evolved. You'll hear about resilience, the ability of a system to withstand shocks and bounce back. You will also hear about the circular economy, an idea that challenges our take-make-waste model. Another powerful word is regenerative. Instead of just aiming to do no harm, regenerative practices aim to actively heal and improve the systems we depend on. It's about leaving things better than we found them. To make sense of this complexity, we often use a simple model: the 3 pillars of sustainability. A truly sustainable farm, for example, protects its soil, pays its workers fairly, and is profitable enough to stay in business. A sustainable city invests in public transport, green buildings, and provides affordable housing and accessible healthcare for everyone. But a more accurate way to see it is as a nested system. Our planet's life support systems are the ultimate foundation for everything. This brings us to a critical concept known as planetary boundaries. This framework identifies 9 key processes that regulate the stability of our planet. For each one, scientists have defined a safe operating space. Crossing these boundaries increases the risk of irreversible environmental changes. The latest science tells us we have already crossed 6 of these 9 boundaries. This is like the dashboard of our planet flashing multiple red warning lights at once. This idea of limits forces us to confront difficult trade-offs. Single solution thinking often fails because it ignores these interconnected effects. The challenge is not to be paralyzed by the scale of these problems, but to see them as a design challenge. How can we meet the needs of all people within the means of our living planet? This is the central question of our time. To start thinking in this way, I want to give you a small hook. Over the next week, look at this very university campus. Think of it as a small-scale system. Where does the energy come from? Where does the water come from? What happens to the waste? Start observing these flows and relationships. You are now part of a growing global network of students, innovators, and leaders dedicated to building a thriving future for all. Welcome to the challenge. Welcome to the team. Let's get to work.